Today will be my first day starting the pest control. What the fuck? Why does it sound like I want to say pest control? Okay, start over. Okay, today will be my first day. Bitch, let's just start over, okay? But you ain't got it, okay? All right, today will be my first day trying to drop the meat in the chicken, okay? As I told you guys on my last vlog, I just don't give a shit about meat no more. Girl, Travis brought some chicken home. I cooked it or whatever, and I put it in the air fryer. Girl, the chicken was so damn chewy, I don't even know what the fuck I was eating, to be honest with you. Like, I knew I had cooked chicken. It looked like chicken. It smelled like chicken. Felt like chicken. Because it damn sure wasn't chicken. I don't know what it was, but girl, let me tell you something. And I just spit the shit out. I just said, you know what, this ain't it, sis. Just let this go. For a long time, I've been saying I'm gonna go vegan. The only reason why I won't go vegan just yet is because I like seafood. Like, anytime we go out to eat, or when we used to go out and eat, they'd be like, what you get? Salmon? What you getting? Salmon? Girl, yes. The fuck? Granted, I'm not really a meat and chicken person anyways. My husband is the one that really gets down on chicken. Like, girl, he gets down. Like, this dude can eat chicken every single day, okay? So I can't even do it, but he can do it. But bitch, I ain't doing it no more. So my husband cooked me some seafood, girl. Start this thing off right, honey. You guys told me I need to look up pescatarian. Am I saying it right? Pescatarian. Pescatarian. I'm from the South. I can't talk. Today on the menu, my husband is going to grill all of my seafood. He is going to cook everything on the grill, bitch. Okay? We got everything from salmon, of course, lobster tails, crab legs, corn. What else do we have? And shrimp. That's what's going to be on the menu today. And that's also what we're going to be having for meal prep the whole week. So, that's what I'm going to be eating. And then I'm also going to cook some sides. This peas and peppers. My mother-in-law made this for me when I was pregnant with Ariana, and it was so good. It's basically when you use red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers. Red, yellow, green. Really, you're supposed to have orange, but they didn't have orange in the store today. And then you use an onion, and you use the peas, but you use the peas that you get out of the produce section, and you cook all that together with olive oil and lemon pepper. Y'all, it is so good and so healthy. I know it's like, girl, ain't nobody finna eat all them peppers and onions, but y'all, I promise it is so good. Go ahead and start on that while he puts everything on the grill, and I'll be back to show you guys what I'm going to eat and how I meal prep everything. So this is day one. What is today's date? Today's date is January the 10th, and I still... It's not late, but it feels like it's late. It's only 7:30, but it's a Sunday, so our Sundays are normally pretty tight as far as the things that we do. I pretty much film on the weekends, so my schedule was tight already. Then I also try to meal prep on Sundays. So the food was delicious. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up for the week. I gotta put everything in containers and then clean up the kitchen. Then I also gotta wash her hair tonight. I don't have any aloes. I have an aloe leaf, but her hair is getting so much longer and thicker. I need bigger leaves than the plant that I have, so I might do rice water in her hair tonight. I don't really know just yet. Then I gotta wash my hair, but I think I'm gonna just wash my hair tomorrow after I do the jump rope challenge. I got a lot of stuff to do, so I guess I need to get started, huh? My earrings are so freaking cute. I got them from Fashion Nova, and I think I'm gonna order another pair. All right, let me stop talking to y'all so I can go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen, because now I'm full and I don't feel like doing anything, so